Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. A very good morning to the excellencies, distinguished guests, teachers and my dear friends. I am Safia Khanam and today I am gonna discuss on my topic Independence Day 2022. Some things can't just be expressed in words. My eyes are little wet seeing the free flying birds. These are the days of happiness, seeing all the birds flying up in the sky. Thanks to the fearless leader who faced it all for making tough time pass by. Love can speak volume and the words become less. Love for freedom that one have left us blessed. Blessed with its freedom, the movements we share. Come, let's wish our India a very happy 75th Independence Day. Since 1947, we are celebrating Independence Day every year. And today, we are gathered here to celebrate our 75th Independence Day and to give tribute to our fearless leader who sacrificed their lives for us. We cannot understand the pain of being enslaved. We are living in peace today because of the sacrifice made by themselves for our independence. The fight for freedom started in the year 1857, which resulted in the mass movement of Indians in 1885. Freedom fighters like Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Ashfaqullah Khan, Tipu Sultan, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi ji and many others fought for our independence. As a result, exactly 75 years ago, on 15th August 1947, our India was free from British rule. We are celebrating Independence Day. I know still it's not as easy as I said, but why we should discuss all those matters which we have already know, or we can easily find it on Google or Wikipedia. Because hello, it's modern era. There are Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram on the phone of each. On Independence Day, everyone are like, oh, it's Independence Day. Let me have a beautiful picture with captions, hashtag Independence Day, hashtag celebrating Independence Day, hashtag I love my India, hashtag. Forwarded to my friends, colleagues, updated WhatsApp status, uploaded on Instagram, Independence Day done. This is what most of the people do on Independence Day. Some might leave their homes or on the roads. But the very next day, since the Independence Day gone, their so-called nationalism and their so-called patriotism gone. It's quite funny, isn't it? Because we take care of our parents each day. Parents take care of us each day. And to take care of our mother India, we have only 3 days. Independence Day, Republic Day and Earth Day. And by celebrating these 3 days, we say that we love our country. well, ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना। लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत हमने की, उसी तिरंगे को सदा अपने दिल में बसाए रखना। In this era, we love our country, no doubt. But still, we say as Marvel Avengers, Thor, Iron Man, Captain America and so on are our superheroes. But why do we fail to mention our soldiers who protect our country day and night, who doesn't take care of their sleep so we can sleep peacefully, who leaves their houses so we can be safe in our houses, who leave their parents so we can take care of our parents? Why do we fail to mention our doctors who saved our lives in the critical years of COVID-19, who doesn't take care of their lives so they can save us, and we are fit today because of our doctors? But why do we fail to mention our teachers, because of whom we have something in our bloody minds? Why do we fail to mention our policemen, because of whom we feel safe in our society? Why do we fail to mention our laborers, electricians and all who help us in our daily life? Why do we fail to mention our parents, because of whom we are actually in this world? Just some simple words, isn't it? Today, we are celebrating Independence Day, a day which is to be celebrated when one is truly independent. So, my question to you is, are we truly independent? You might say yes, but Honestly, I don't think any one of you present over here are truly independent. We are saying that we are celebrating Independence Day. So, we are celebrating Independence Day of 1947 in 2022 without being actually independent. I know we are saying that we are celebrating 75th year of Independence Day when still we are bounded with negative thoughts. We are saying that we are celebrating 75th year of Independence Day when still a girl is accepted, where a boy is celebrated. We are saying that we are celebrating 75th year of Independence Day when still our society is bounded with corruptions. We are saying that we are celebrating 75th year of Independence Day when still the people are like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. But they are like Fir la ke kitchen mein bithao. And we are saying that we are celebrating Independence Day by keeping our ego on top. This 15 August 2022 is not just Independence Day. It is our under construction Independence Day. And when our India will be totally independent when we do these three things. First, let all the people follow their religion, which is given in the Constitution, the right for freedom of religion. When our society is free from corruptions. When we create employment for all citizens. By doing all these things and by keeping all these measures, we can actually celebrate Independence Day. At last, thank you and all the best for your under construction Independence Day, which is still to be achieved. Jazakallah.